Alright, you guys, I'm back with the rebuild for my injectors. Make sure I have all my stuff. But I'm gonna try to get this here did so I can see what different does it do. So trying to make sure I got everything I need out there. But I got some stuff in here I would show y'all right quick, but I'm gonna save that for a whole nother video, whole nother day, cause it's gonna about to be some good things. I would. But I'm gonna hit it one more time. Maybe did it too fast, but y'all stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll be back. So I'm gonna go back on out here. I'm gonna start on some a little bit. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna the trunk, unhook the fuel regulator. Do be kinda hard to get out sometimes. Have a little push tab on it. See, disconnect that. Back over ready. Start taking out some other stuff. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Another eye. Y'all look up here real quick. I'm up and do a rebuild on my injector here. I need to clean it up on here a little bit. I'm gonna do all that. Yeah. About to get to it. See, I took the intake off so we can get a better angle on it. So let's get the fuel grill and stuff on. problem. So rebuild will not get did today. Say that for another day. I'm going to order me some injectors. So stay tuned. I should have those hopefully by Friday or Saturday. I can do that. So y'all look for that. Everything pretty much we done did this weekend was pretty much a bust. But yeah. Yeah, that shit. Yeah, she'll be down for this week. Well, for a week. For a few days. I ain't gonna say a week. For probably a few days. I'm gonna order them. I'm gonna try to have them rest in, so try to get wet. Hopefully, what, 2-3 days knocked off with it. Get them here. So we had to set the tent up too. Wrap this up today. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. More videos will be coming.